Tomatoes! Tomatoes I've not ever grew, but that I've grown many. There's some, those little, and there's an okra and some tomatoes growing here. Little tomatoes on there yet, I don't. Those are Arkansas. My okra growing pretty good. I never grew okra before. This tomato plants, wanted to eat them. So all of this is doing pretty good. That's tomatoes and the okra that you did. I have some pepper and some big. These are, there's transplant, or no, these is a Fresno chili or some jalapenos. That is a Mexican marigold. It's basil. And this is a plant that I can't remember.